Miss Black Lives Matter is cheating on me with an Asian.
Hey,
Come on.
watch it.
I'm not cheating. Unless dancing in spandex means anything.
You look like an Instagram hoe.
You did not.
I think you two should talk about this outside.
You gonna be okay? Yeah, I'll be back.
Another day, and another young man has been shot and killed on the streets of Freeland. His name, Jamon Allen Brown. So far, police have not made any arrests.
How'd it go?
His name.
She took her key back. I'm sorry. No, she was right. We were done. So much has been changing in my life that I was just holding on to something that wasn't working just so I had something to hold on to. Today I felt invincible, you know, and now I just...
Back to reality. We're all just playing at being superheroes.
It'd be nice, though. Superpowers. A way to make the world a better place, you know? Really change things. Fight the bad guys. Save the good guys.
Yeah. Saving the world would be lonely, I think. You have to keep your identity secret, even from the people you love.
Right. Because they'd worry. Yeah. Oh, damn, look at the time. Okay, I've got to go get out of this spandex because I promised my sister I would go to this march with her.
All right, good night, Miss Black Lives Matter.
Good night, Grace.
She's on fire. Damn right she's on fire. I tell them how they don't get it.
Damn it. All this ass. I need something that really fits.
She's on fire. Damn